Well, good afternoon to you, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Hello, everyone.
Hi, welcome to our humble little abode to make entertainment for all of you.
What do we have today?
Just some sodas. So, we got some
Super chicken.
super chicken, Jaina,
And stinkor.
the stinky dude. So,
We're gonna see
yeah, we're gonna see
if we're gonna pull a chase. It'll probably be him if we do.
fact check.
Well, I'm gonna open up a Jaina.
Okay, you go right
Wow,
ahead.
look at that dent. In
Oh,
that can.
thank you, Diamond Distribution. We appreciate that. And this is the thing: we get stuff from a secondary distributor. So whatever we don't
Shout out to Diamond.
get in from Funko,
Very loose.
we get bits and pieces because they ship small quantities. Thank you, Tuna Matata to you. And so that's why we get little bits and pieces here and there that we open.
I'm not gonna look.
Oh, sure, why not? It's just going to be a
Common. Well, now it is after you said that. Nice going. Yeah.
Or a regular.
Yeah. Just a comment.
Oh. Let me open one.
Try to get this dent out of it. Here we go. Better. Not as bad.
Oh,
Well, we got a comment so far.
open too easy.
So did this one.
It's like I thought.
You pulled the chase, didn't you?
Yes.
You seriously? Pisses me off. At least we pulled one, but I never pull any. Well, that's not true. I pulled a Kaboom chase, but so did you.
That's the vampire. Wonder Twins powers activate the vampire.
Where's the other one? Oh, right down there. Boom.
She's with her brother, Zan Man.
Okay. Well,
All right.
that's good. We pulled a chase so far. So far, it's just like the last video. We pulled one so far. Oh, here's the pod.
Bam. Bam, man.
Woo! No. Scuba Steve. Hashtag Scuba Steve.
Oh,
Down in
God.
the comments.
Hashtag no.
Hashtag where's Scuba Steve?
Who cares?
Alrighty.
All right.
What are we doing next? Stinkor or Super Chicken?
Super Chicken. So, we need the American version because we have the international
Somewhere. I think he's down behind.
I just think the internet. I don't want any international in my collection. I'm done. No, I'm not even doing it. It's stupid. It's in my opinion.
Hashtag Brian is crazy.
If they were going to do it right, they would have did characters that weren't available to the U.S. market.
Yes.
Not just doing some pog swap and can.
Oh, yeah. Different color variation and a pog swap. And, yeah.
But not on. What color variation are you talking about? On the pog?
The can.
Not all of them were colored different.
Yeah,
No way.
Were.
No.
All of them were.
No. You're wrong. Guaranteed you're wrong. Because the Pan Am Stewardess was still the light blue.
Nope, it was tan. The can was tan.
They're somewhere around in this warehouse. I know it. And I'll find them. And I'll prove it on a different video. But
comment down below that I'm right. Because I am.
Namaste.
Brian is wrong.
Just open
Brian
the
is
can.
crazy.
I'll put it in and go.
Jeez. Can't even
Some bitch.
believe that. Pull it directly. Oh, man.
Oh, damn, you almost jumped out of your chair, fool.
I saw the yellow and I was like, ooh.
But no.
I don't pull anything. Well, we got the common. Man, seriously?
Common.
Are you sure? Well, there's the common. He pulled a common too.
I'll open the third one.
Oh, we had one more super chicken?
That is a super chicken.
Yes, it is. I didn't know that. And this gonna be the chase.
Yes, it is.
You freaking... I was gonna... Oh my gosh. This isn't even fun anymore. This is not even fun. When's Nick gonna get a win? When's Nick gonna get a win? I'm just gonna open the third can. It'll probably be another comment. Nope, it's the chase. Could have given Nick the opportunity to pull the chase, but no. Here's the chase. Which has an amazing glow. Because we did get the international ones a few videos back.
All right, little buddy. The stinky did.
Pisses me off. Where's the pond? Damn. All right. Stinkor up next. We'll do this one.
Okay, you go first.
You suck.
I'm praying for you that you get one. Because you need a break today.
I need a break every day.
Son of a bitch.
It's gonna be a freaking common.
Go slow. Go slow.
I know it's gonna
Go
be
slow.
a common.
It's white.
Mother.
Okay.
One day,
Your mom's still watching.
I used to pull chases all the time. And then once we started doing YouTube, he started pulling all of them. And I stopped pulling them. So I blame YouTube. It's the chase, isn't it? There's the common. I know it's the freaking chase. I know it is. Suck. It's not even fun anymore. It really isn't. It's kind of irritating. I can't. Gosh. There's another chase. He pulled all three. Damn, that thing stinks.
He's Stinkor.
Man. Smells kind of good, though. Stupid.
Oh my god.
Why do I agree to do these?
There is the chase. In all its glory.
So, my dad got one chase, two chase, and three chase.
Trace.
And guess what Nick got? 3 stinking commons.
Regulars.
Yeah.
Hey, thank you for coming and watching us open some wonderful sodas, and Hakuna Matata.
I'm gonna go cry in the
Namaste.
corner. I'm gonna go cry in the corner.
Yes. Namaste.
Namaste.
Hope you all have a great day.
Hopefully you pulled chases.
Yes. Chase dreaming.
Yes.
That's all he does. All right. Namaste. Thank you all. We appreciate each and every one of you. And thank you for watching our little video. And share it with your friends. Let us know. Comment below.
Subscribe.
Oh, yeah.
Ring the bell.
Ring the bell. And all that notification thingy.
That's the bell.
Oh, 10 for a like button.
Like the video.
All right. Thank you. All right. Talk to you later. Adios, amigos.
At least we're getting a chase and a common instead of pulling both commons.
Keep telling yourself that, buddy. Ro.
I got to try to make myself feel better because it hurts. It hurts.
All right. Well,
That freaking dislikes every damn video.
from that one dude, I don't know who it is.
Well, they're always anonymous, but maybe we'll find out one day who it is.
It's probably Scott.
It's probably Scuba Steve because he's not on the video. So he dislikes it because he's not on the video. That's
Okay.
it.
10-4.
That's it.